Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a real estate home valuation calculator using Outgrow. Let's get started. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard and choose Calculator and start with a blank template or pre-designed templates. Name your project Home Valuation Calculator. Edit your welcome screen with a clear headline like Find out your home's estimated value in 60 seconds. You can also add a brief description if needed and upload a relevant home image. Now we'll build the quiz step by step using the questions provided. Q1. Create a single select question asking, what type of property do you own? Q2. Add another single select question asking, where is your home located? Q3. Add a numeric input question asking for the total living area in square feet. Q4. Add a numeric input for the number of bedrooms. Q5. Add a numeric input for the number of bathrooms. Q6. Add a single select question about the overall condition of the home. Q7. Add a multi-select question asking which recent improvements have been completed in the past 5 years. Q8. Add an optional numeric input asking for the home's current estimated market value if known. Now let's configure the results screens. Result 1. Estimated current home value. Add a results section titled Your home's estimated value is R1. Add a subheading explaining that the value is based on the home's type, location, size, condition, and improvements. Enter the formula. Result 2. Potential increased value. After upgrades, add another result titled Your home's value could increase to R2 after upgrades. Enter the formula. Customize the design of your quiz. Choose your brand colors, upload your logo, and add relevant images to enhance each question and result screen. Before showing results, enable the lead generation form. Request the user's name, email, and any additional details you want for follow-up, such as their zip code. Click Go Live to make your calculator live and publish the changes. You can share the live URL on social media or embed it on your website. That's it. You've now built a full real estate home valuation calculator inside Outgrow. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.